Let's review adventitious lung sounds. We know that our lungs are super important in oxygenating our blood. Sometimes they make abnormal sounds, which can indicate an underlying health issue. So it's really important that we know how to identify them. First, we have crackles, also known as rales. These are going to sound like crinkling, bubbling, popping sounds, kind of like wood burning in the fireplace. These sounds are caused by air passing through fluid. Just think of what happens when you blow through a straw in water. You're going to hear those bubbling sounds. Crackles can be a sign of COPD, pneumonia, or bronchitis. Next, we have rhonchi. These are low-pitched sounds that kind of sound like snoring, and you usually hear them during expiration. This occurs when air passes through bronchial passageways that contain mucus or other respiratory secretions. These sounds can usually be cleared up by coughing. Next, we have wheezes. These are high-pitched musical sounds that kind of sound like squeaking, and they can occur during both inspiration and expiration. Think of what happens when you blow into a whistle. It makes that high-pitched sound because air is flowing through a very narrow passageway, and you'll hear this in patients who have asthma. Next, we have stridor. This is a high-pitched crowing sound that occurs during inspiration, and it indicates an obstruction in the upper passageway. This is something that you'll hear when children have dislodged objects in their airway. It's a terrifying sound, and it's very important that we act quickly because this is life-threatening. And lastly, we have diminished or absent lung sounds. And let the words themselves help you out. It basically just sounds like we turn the volume down and